smart speaker. A smart speaker is a voice-activated wireless speaker that connects to the internet and responds to spoken commands through a built-in virtual assistant. Amazon Echo with Alexa and Google Home with Google Assistant are the most widely recognized examples in the market. Beyond playing music, smart speakers can answer questions, set timers, control other smart home devices, make calls, and manage shopping lists entirely through voice commands. They're always listening for a specific wake word, which activates the microphone and sends the voice request to cloud servers for processing. Smart speakers became the entry point for millions of households into the broader smart home ecosystem. Smart light bulb. Smart light bulbs replace standard bulbs in existing fixtures and connect to a home Wi-Fi network or dedicated hub, allowing them to be controlled remotely through a smartphone app or voice command. They can be turned on or off, dimmed or changed to millions of different colors without any additional wiring or hardware changes. Popular brands like Philips Hue and LifeX have built entire ecosystems around smart lighting, allowing users to create schedules, set moods, and sync lights with music or movies. The ability to automate lighting based on time of day or occupancy has made smart bulbs one of the most popular and affordable entry points into smart home technology. Smart thermostat. A smart thermostat replaces the conventional temperature control unit on a wall and learns the household's heating and cooling preferences over time. The Nest thermostat, introduced by Google, popularized the idea of a thermostat that could study a family's schedule and automatically adjust temperatures to maximize both comfort and energy savings. Smart thermostats can be controlled remotely through a smartphone, meaning the home temperature can be adjusted from anywhere in the world. Many models provide detailed energy usage reports that help households understand and reduce their electricity and gas consumption. They represent one of the smart home devices with the clearest and most measurable financial benefit. Smart security camera. Smart security cameras connect to a home network and stream live video footage directly to a smartphone or computer, allowing homeowners to monitor their property from anywhere in real time. They differ from traditional security cameras by offering features such as motion detection alerts, night vision, two-way audio communication, and cloud or local video storage. Many models use artificial intelligence to distinguish between people, animals, vehicles, and general motion, reducing false alerts significantly. Doorbell cameras, pioneered by Ring, became a particularly popular category within smart security, allowing residents to see and speak with visitors at their front door without opening it. Smart locks replace or augment traditional door locks and allow entry through methods beyond a physical key. They can be unlocked using a smartphone app, a PIN code, a fingerprint, a voice command, or even automatically when the owner's phone comes within a certain range through a feature called Auto Unlock. Access logs show exactly who entered and when, which is valuable for households with children, housekeepers, or frequent guests. Temporary access codes can be created for visitors and set to expire after a specific time, eliminating the need to copy physical keys. Smart locks are particularly popular among short-term rental hosts who need to manage guest access remotely. Smart plug. A smart plug is a small adapter that fits between a standard electrical outlet and any regular appliance, instantly making that appliance remotely controllable. Once plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi, the device plugged into it can be turned on or off through a smartphone app or voice command. Smart plugs are one of the most affordable ways to add smart functionality to existing appliances like lamps, fans, coffee makers, and televisions without replacing them. Many models track the energy consumption of connected devices, providing useful data on which appliances use the most electricity. They're especially useful for creating automated schedules, such as turning on a coffee maker every morning at a set time. Smart doorbell. Smart
Smart doorbells combine a traditional doorbell with a camera, microphone, speaker, and internet connection, transforming a simple button into a comprehensive front door monitoring system. When a visitor presses the button or when motion is detected nearby, the homeowner receives an instant notification on their smartphone, regardless of where they are. The two-way audio and video system allows the homeowner to have a full conversation with whoever is at the door without being physically present. Some models include facial recognition to identify frequent visitors. Smart doorbells became mainstream largely through the success of Ring, which was later acquired by Amazon and integrated into the broader Alexa smart home ecosystem. Smart smoke detector. Smart smoke detectors perform the same fundamental function as traditional smoke alarms, but add connectivity features that significantly enhance their usefulness. When smoke or carbon monoxide is detected, the device sends an instant alert to the homeowner's smartphone in addition to sounding the local alarm. This means a fire or gas leak can be detected and responded to even when nobody is home. Some smart smoke detectors can communicate with other smart home devices, automatically turning off HVAC systems to prevent smoke from spreading, or unlocking smart locks to allow emergency services easier access. Nest Protect is among the most well-known smart smoke detectors and also includes a feature that distinguishes between slow-burning fires and fast-flaming fires. Smart refrigerator. Smart refrigerators go beyond simple food storage by incorporating touchscreens, internal cameras, and internet connectivity into the appliance. Internal cameras allow users to check the contents of their refrigerator remotely through a smartphone, which is useful when grocery shopping and unsure whether certain items are needed. Touchscreen displays on the door can show recipes, family calendars, notes, and even stream music or video. Some models track expiry dates and send reminders when food is approaching the end of its useful life. While smart refrigerators represent the more premium and expensive end of the smart home market, they illustrate how even the most traditional household appliances are being reimagined with connected technology. Smart TV. A smart TV is a television with built-in internet connectivity and an operating system that allows streaming services, apps, and web browsing directly on the screen without any additional device. Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and dozens of other streaming platforms are accessible directly from the remote control. Smart TVs can also be integrated into the broader smart home ecosystem, responding to voice commands and connecting with other devices. Most modern televisions sold today are smart TVs by default, making the separate set-top box less necessary than it once was. The operating systems powering smart TVs, including Tizen from Samsung and WebOS from LG, have become sophisticated platforms in their own right, with large app ecosystems. That covers all the categories of smart home devices we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple. We break down a new tech topic every single week. Drop a comment below and tell us, which smart home device do you already use at home? See you in the next one.